The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring from Great Falls, Montana, Tessa Blanchard!
Guys, this match has the potential to completely change the WWE landscape, and it's because of this level of talent involved.
Such a talented competitor. I think we're about to see one of her best matches yet. The energy in the building just went way up.
And her opponent, representing Chase University from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Thea.
Having come straight out of high school to NXT, Thea has made it clear she doesn't want her youth to define her.
Yeah, Thea Hale wants to prove that she really is a grown woman who can hold her own.
And that means no more waiting, no more asking for permission. Time to stop being a student and start teaching lessons.
Thea Hale is a true ball of energy with endless potential.
She's been living up to that potential and is ready for the next level.
Well, time will tell if she's got the aggression to get there.
And this is a woman that has had a lot of talk around her. A lot of people wondering if the hype around her is warranted.
Yeah, and this is now her opportunity to justify all that hype. An opportunity to show why she's been creating such a buzz.
A win here could do just that.
On the other side of the ring is Thea Hale. No one can deny that Hale's a hard worker, constantly upping her game and learning how to succeed in this business.
Yeah, Thea's constantly evolving and only getting better in the ring.
Headlock takeover. I honestly can't believe we just saw a human being tossed like that. Answer after thinking about rolling pin. Watch this.
Oh, wow. Hook of the leg, shoulders down.
She kicks out at one.
Starting to see the tolls of this match add up.
Running swanton.
Incredible pressure being put on Thea.
Any of Thea Hale's defenses have been pegged.
Thea gets the better of that. Wow, I'll tell you, I thought this superstar was out of this match, but apparently not. What a comeback. Thea Hale doesn't exactly have size on her side, Corey. I imagine that's something to zero in on.
Oh, of course, Cole. It doesn't matter who you are. It's hard not to be a powerhouse when you're up against Thea Hale. So go ahead, use that to your advantage. Outpower Thea, manhandle her, throw all the big moves you got right at her. Look at these stomps.
She can end this thing right here. Kick out at one.
Getting that shoulder up seemed to be pretty easy. Thea Hale.
Kimura lock cinched in, body wrap. This could be over. Gotta figure out a way out of this one or it could be over.
This match is going to be over. Wait a minute. Fighting out successfully.
Her arm was a moment away from snapping.
Check this out.
Oh, backbreaker. And Thea Hale gets contested there. Sit out mat slam.
Oh, going right into the pin.
She breaks the ref's count.
She just will not give up, Cole.
Big down low. Oh, into a powerbomb.
Turns it around. Sole of the foot meets the stomach.
Michinoku driver. Wow.
Her moment could be at hand. She's ready to attack.
No way.
All the way down to the floor.
Really thought that was going to work, but now we got a human being we have to scrape off the floor.
Boom! What a headbutt. And now thrown back into the ring. Kick to the midsection. Snap DDT.
That could end Hale right now.
Transitions into the pen. Is this it?
What in the world? You have to wonder, what more does she have left?
We have reached a whole other level here. Is there still enough left to try that maneuver again? Or if...
Down, rolls through, shoulders down. Oh, this has got to be it.
Shoulders are down. Almost ended it there.
I didn't think we'd see a kick out there.
Knees to the gut.
Kick to the body into the code red.
Oh, this could be over. 2. She gets the shoulder up. What does she have to do to put her away?
I'm asking myself the same question. I have no idea.
Goes into the corner. Nice monkey flip.
Oh, stomping away. Incredible pressure being put on Thea.
Yeah, Thea Hale's being outpowered and manhandled at this point. Sorry about your size, Thea, but it's an easy target.
Getting positioned on the top rope.
Up on the top rope.
After this part of town for these two competitors.
This could go south in a hurry. Here we go.
Shoved all the way to the mat.
Thea Hale whipping the WWE Universe into a frenzy and simultaneously whipping her opponent with a series of stomps.
Look at these stomps.
And now Thea for the win. She's still got something left. How the hell did she just kick out?
Wait a second, referee, are you sure? Are you sure that's 2?
What more can these women have left? Where are they finding the energy?
They must be deep into their reserves by now.
A barrage.
Now the pin on Thea Hale. Is it enough? Wards off the pin at 2.
How have we not claimed a winner yet?
You gotta believe that not wanting to feel the agony of defeat is causing this.
Goes down low, and DDT. She has got to end this one now.
Cashing in on that effort.
There's 2. And that'll be it. Finally a victory. What a hard-fought win.
Here is your winner, Tessa Blanchard.
A loss handed to Thea Hale here tonight.
You can see the look of disappointment all over Thea's face right now.
Yeah, well, hopefully she takes this as a learning moment. Got too close to danger there.
Goes down low. And
oh, man, ref couldn't get out of the way.
She throws her back in.
ooh, whoa.
Placing her in the corner.
Setting her up here.
This game's about winning at any and all costs.
This competitor knows exactly what they want to do. Perched on the top rope. Here it is.